Fire escape inspection summary video with Inspector Alan Toll, a licensed architect in California and certified fire escape inspector. I'm here on O'Farrell Street with the first of two fire escapes. This is the one that's on the front. It's got about 6 balconies and platforms, and then it actually drops down to a roof over the entry, and with an accordion ladder that drops to the street. And I have a few comments about that, but what we're looking for is that the fire escape is painted and that it's structurally sound. This fire escape is definitely going to need some paint. I have a few concerns, so it's not going to pass structurally today. In order to pass, we could, if it would need to be load tested. For us to certify it, would need to be load tested, or we could provide an opinion affidavit letter stating that to the best of our opinion, knowledge, and belief, this fire escape is ready for its intended use. But that would require approval from the owner's insurance carrier and from the city. The other option to certify this fire escape is that it be restored. It is all original hardware, so anywhere that we would replace an existing square head bolt would negate the need for a load test. So for instance, on these stringer clips or the connection to the riveted connections to the tread. So the fire escape will not pass today. It definitely needs a paint job. As you can see, we need to verify that these connections are sound. And I have a I know this is pre-existing non-conforming, but this is sort of an issue here where it's very narrow to come out this window and go to the stair below. So let me continue on. There is some evidence of rough. I'm going to point out in a number of places, I'm going to try to show you that we have this rusting that's occurring. Now that piece along the front appears to be almost a decorative piece that's hiding the angle of the structure below. But as you can see, there is definitely rust jacking occurring there, and I'm not sure if that's caulking but you can see the rust that's occurring. And what that's doing is that even though this piece may not be structural, it's definitely putting stress on the structural member of the cage. So I'll show you that down below. But that's something that's going to need to be looked at and remedied for sure. You can see a lot of this definitely needs paint. This is probably pre-1978. So if that's the case, most likely it's lead paint, and EPA rules will apply, and an EPA regulations license will be required for renovation. There should be no welding for any repairs. There are no welds at this time. The ladder to the roof appears to be in good order. It's punched through. I didn't go up to the catwalk up above, so we want to double check that. But all these connections are a little bit, they're solid, but again, rust occurring, nothing protecting. We don't know how this wood member is performing. So I'm going to probably not pass some of the existing wall, but I'm going to move down below. You can see these stringer clips look to be okay, but again, if we replace those bolts, then no need for a load test. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and film a little bit more. You can start to see this piece that goes along the front. And again, it does appear to be decorative as opposed to structural, but especially down below, you can see it's really putting pressure on the structural members that are supporting it. So it repeats itself pretty much. I'm going to drop down to the bottom level and continue my filming.